Hello all, my name is cspoonamagarwal and I would like to welcome you all again to the part 3rd video series on how to register your digital signature on MCA version 3. In the part 1 video we discussed how we can register any business user on the version 3 portal, because in order to register DSC you need to have a business user ID on MCA version 3. And in the part 2 we discussed how we can convert the registered user into a business user. In case if you are not able to directly register any business user, then you can refer this video on how to convert the registered user into a business user. And then in this video we are going to discuss how we can register or associate digital signature on MCA version 3. So in order to register the DSC, the first requirement is we need to register as a business user. Whether you are a professional, whether you are a director or designated partner, manager, secretary, authorized representative, you have to register a business user. So you can refer part 1 and part 2, link is given in the description. So you first of all create the ID, and if you have already created the ID, you can go through this video that what next steps you have to follow in order to successfully register DSC on the version 3 portal. So the second step will be you need to have a class 3 digital signature and you need to install the token driver in your system. And in the third step we will understand how we can download EM Signer and EM Bridge from DSC registration portal of MCA V3. So DSC registration is must for particular category. Even if you had already registered your DSC in the earlier version of MCA V2, you have to register your DSC again on V3 in order to successfully file the form. So let's get started with the step-by-step process for digital signature registration on MCA version 3. So first step is you must be having this type of token, that is a class 3 digital signature. So whatever token driver you are having, you need to have the token driver installed in the system. So once you insert the token driver in the slot, then you will see in the my computer option this type of option. I have a digital signature of ePass, so I am showing you how you can install the ePass token driver in your system. So in case you are having a digital signature of any other company, then also you can see the driver option available in the my computer option here once you insert the token in your system. So once you will double click on this, you will get this option to install the application in your system, because then only you can view this digital signature, that which digital signature you are using in your system. So you just click on next option and it will get installed in your system. This was a very first step. You can also check whether the digital signature, whether your system is reading that digital signature or not. ePass token manager. See, here you need to log in into this app, enter the token password, and you can see the name of the person whose digital signature you want to register on MCA V3. So this is the very first step. The second step is you need to log in to your using your business user credentials on MCA V3 version which you had created, and how you can download EM Signer and EM Bridge from the portal. So then you click on MCA services, FO services, and there you will see the option to associate DSC. On the associate DSC page, this window will appear. The 1, 2 and 3 option. There will be 3 options on the screen. So once you click on the first option, you will get option to download MCA EM Signer on the system. On the second link you will click, you will get the latest EM Bridge downloading option in your system. So if you are having Windows or Mac, you can accordingly install the driver in your system. So this I have downloaded EM Bridge application. So there we have used 3 applications. So now how to install? So we have downloaded these 2 applications from MCA after logging into the MCA portal. One is MCA EM Signer and another is EM Bridge. So let's install each one of them one by one. You've extracted the folder and we'll see the app. There is a Windows installer. You just double click on this and install it in your system. So it has finished the installation process, and once you go on to, so after installation you will see EM Signer option here on your desktop. You just right click on this and run the app as administrator. Click on yes option and you will see that it has started successfully. EM Signer started successfully. You can also see in the right hand corner this MCA. You have installed the EM Signer. So the next app we have to install is EM Bridge. Double click on this app. Follow the same steps. You have to just simply install it in your system. Make sure the Java version etc. is already updated in your system. Installation process is completed. Again you will see here on the desktop this EM Bridge icon and you can run it as administrator. Click on yes. See, so it is, the status should be running. Okay, so you can see that it is running. Now you can also hide it. So go back again on this associate DSC page. So we have followed this first step, second step, and the third step is saying that for new users, for new token users, please update the passwords. So you can simply log in into ePass, like I have showed in the starting that you have ePass app in your system. So you just log in into the ePass application and update your token password if you are using it for the first time. So for example, by default password is 128, so you can change it to 129 or any desired password you want to have. So changing token password is also important. And one very important thing is in the profile update page, please check once that your ID is a business user ID. Your category of the ID is business user, not a registered user ID, because you won't be able to register a DSC if it is a registered user. So again, come back to this associate DSC page. Now you will click on associate DSC option. You will get this window, and here you will be able to see the tokens available. See the ePass token, the certificate, the name of the person, password. Enter the password of the token here, and after entering the password, a successful registration screen will appear like this. Congratulations, Mr. So and so, you have successfully registered your DSC with the DIN number and income tax PAN number on this portal. So this was all about this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it and it has really helped you, then you can like, comment, share and subscribe. And in case you have any query with respect to this, then you can drop an email at the given email ID. Thanks for watching.